Well, hello there, welcome back to the channel, and if you're a new visitor, I'm Jacqueline Marie. In today's video, it's a beautiful day here in Florida, and we're going to do some spring cleaning outside. So let's go ahead and get started. It's a beautiful midday here in Florida. It's nice and sunny and perfect day to start cleaning and taking all the dust and pollen from all this furniture. As you can see, it's beautiful outside and the water in the pool is getting warmer and ready to start the pool season. Even the barbecue grill is full of dust and pollen. So we're going to start cleaning and hosing all the furniture, starting with all these wicker chairs. I'm going to bring all the chairs out here and start spraying them with water. And in no time they will be dry because today is a beautiful sunny and warm day. I have had these wicker chairs for years and it's still in good shape. I got them from Target back in Maryland. They're still super comfortable, which I love. Every season I like to switch things up a little bit by getting new cushions just to refresh the look. This year I found some beautiful blue cushions and home goods, and I think they're going to look so good out here. Please comment below and let me know if you're already cleaning and refreshing your outdoor spaces. I also got a new rug at Costco. The other one that I had for like about a year, it faded because it's very sunny here. So I got a new one at Costco and I think it's going to look great with the new cushions. You might be thinking that all the dirty water is getting into the pool, but actually there is a drain on the floor that picks all the water, and any water that falls in the pool, I will be surely putting the vacuum cleaner to vacuum the pool and everything will be clean at the same time. So now that we're done cleaning all the wicker chairs, I'm going to grab the automatic robotic vacuum cleaner and throw it in the pool so it starts cleaning all the debris inside the pool. Moving on, we're going to tackle now the barbecue grill. It's really dirty. It has a lot of pollen, so we're going to spray it inside and out and let it dry so it's nice and clean for the season. Next, I'm going to hose down the potting bench. This potting bench is from Amazon. Now that all the furniture is all clean and drying out, I'm going to start cleaning the walls to remove any debris that accumulated during the winter. And also I'm going to spray the sliding doors. And finally, I'm going to spray the floor to remove all the sand and dust that has accumulated during the winter. Now that everything is nice and clean, it's time to bring back the furniture, and I'm going to unbox the new carpet and the cushions that I got for this area. This outdoor rug is from Costco and I love the color that it brings to the area because it is the beginning of the spring season and keeping the decor very minimal, and eventually I will be adding more decorative items to the area, including getting a lot of plants for the pots that I have outside. Now I'm adding the beautiful light blue cushions to all the chairs. These cushions are from Home Goods and they complement beautifully with the dark blue rug that I got at Costco. Now that everything is clean and back together, let's take a look at how everything looks. It's very simple and minimal, but very functional for spring days and future summer times in the backyard. And now that everything has been completed, everything looks clean and refreshed, and it's time to roll down the screen to prevent any mosquitoes to come into the lanai. And my friends, thank you so much for coming along with me to clean and refresh the outdoor spaces for the upcoming spring season. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video and got a lot of clean motivation to refresh your outdoor spaces. And if you're a new visitor, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Sea Green Coastal Cottage. See you next time.